Hey guys, what's up? It's Ace coming to you November 13th. We got about 17 seconds before market open. TGIF, thank God it's Friday. Looking forward to the weekend. So hopefully we'll get a quick scalp and we'll call it a day today. Let's see what happens at market open. Looking at Amazon. All right, and we are open. Um, so we opened up. As you can see, we got a gap up on the Qs. You can see that down here. And as you guys know, my two focus stocks are always Amazon and Tesla. So I'm going to see if there's opportunity and availability there. Wow, nice first print, nice first 2-minute candle on Amazon. One of my concerns is we got some overhead resistance. As you guys can see, they're at 3140. So that is something that has me kind of a little alarmed. Because even if we're able to break through our ORB, we still have the overhead resistance, which I don't like at all. But we'll have to see how that plays out. Let's see what else is going on today. What's Tesla doing? Tesla's dying hard, really hard, as a matter of fact. Wow. Let's just take a look real quick. Yeah, Tesla's really suffering right now. I'm definitely not interested in Tesla, although it looks like it's going to be a really bearish day for the stock, just judging from the longer term charts. Tesla looks like it's going to be in some pain today. It looks like Elon Musk has COVID. I don't know. Maybe he does, maybe he doesn't. I don't know what this news article means. Something just popped up here, said Elon Musk has COVID, or maybe not. I don't know. Anyways, if he does, that might be one reason why the stock's going down today. Personally, I don't know. We might try to catch a scalp on Tesla, maybe. See if this trend's going to continue. The only thing, well, the Qs are kind of, looks like they might roll over. If the Qs roll over and try to get to gap window, Tesla's probably going to follow right along suit, considering how super bearish it is right now. We'll see. As it's already retraced up into its first 5-minute candle by about 50%, but looks like on the 2 it's bouncing the VWAP, so we'll see. I got some contracts loaded up just in case on Tesla. I kind of like I said, the market action. If it does roll and it breaks through its open, I should say not its open, but its lower wick here on the first 5-minute candle. If it can break that and it breaks the ORB, the Qs break their ORB to the downside, Tesla will follow. And it's just, it can't seem to get back up, which it's not a bad thing for somebody like me who might want to take a trade on it. So we shall see. But right now, I'd say out of all the stocks I'm looking at, which really is mostly Amazon, Tesla, and a few other names I do always keep an eye on, but Amazon and Tesla primarily. Tesla by far is the bear in the room. Yep, and here comes that little bit of a breakdown I was talking about. Still waiting to see if I want to get involved yet. They have not convinced me yet. We shall see though. Still waiting to see what the Qs are going to do on their next 5-minute candle. I think that's going to be kind of a telltale sign, to be honest with you guys. Also, we have $406 on Tesla, which is this resistance level right here, and it would have to get through there. And if it can get through 406.09, we got some room to run down to 402.62, which would then give it some potential of being a pretty good scalp trade. Keep in mind also, it is Friday. I honestly, Fridays are my least favorite day to trade out of all the days of the week. Hate Fridays. Usually because the volume is a little bit lighter. Stocks just don't seem, in my opinion, to move the way that they do Monday through Thursday. I'm much more of a Monday through Thursday trader, but If I can get a quick scalp off, make a couple bucks, call it a day, I'll do that. So it looks like it's wanting to make its way down. It looks like the Qs are starting to roll over a little bit. We'll see if Tesla follows along. Tesla is just not behaving to the downside at all. Let's go back to Amazon. It looks like the Qs might want to push up after all. Amazon's much more bullish than Tesla, and we can look to potentially get a, okay, kind of like what I'm seeing here on Amazon quite a bit. And now it's all about trying to get in at the right price, make sure I get filled hopefully between the bid and the ask, and avoid any slippage or as much as possible and take the trade. The only thing, once again, is we got that overhead resistance. Got to be careful about that. And guys, something I want you to understand is this is a much riskier scalp because of that overhead resistance. Obviously, I'm looking for a break over the high of the open on the first 2-minute candle you see there, or those 2 wicks on the 5-minute, and then we're going to get out quickly. I think I'm going to scale my position size down if I do decide to get in. Like I said, it's just a Friday, not my favorite day to trade. I was thinking about taking 2 contracts. I think I'm just going to focus on one if I do get in. Patience. It's all about patience. And what I do like is right now on that current 2-minute candle, you're seeing price start to push up, and that wick's there, that wick on the bottom, that's buyers coming in. So that's a real good sign for us. All right, we're in, and I want to see if we can get some movement here. So far, so good. Right now, I'm just trying to decide where I want to take my profit at. I'm trying to get my take profit limit order to be far enough away from that overhead resistance level, because one thing I would hate to see is for price to get up just in front of my take profit and then retrace and have to sit through that. That's pretty painful. So I'm just wanted to make sure I put it in the right place for me to be able to take profits and maximize my potential in this trade, but yet not get too greedy to the point where I'm placing it too close to overhead resistance, and then I see a pullback and I either lose money or I don't make as much money as I should have been able to make. So it's a little bit of a balancing act, to be quite honest with you. All right, and there we go, guys. We made a quick $300 in just about, I don't know, maybe a minute or so. You guys could play the video back and see, but I think it was about a minute, maybe a minute 30. I'll kind of do the time later on and see exactly how long the trade took, but that was great. If you guys noticed, you saw me while I was in the trade sliding my P&L back down a little bit because I didn't want to get overly greedy. If there was no resistance level here, if it wasn't a Friday, if I felt like maybe there's a little bit more market volume coming in, because I mean, really, the Qs are not pumping super hard to the upside. They're just, it's almost a little choppy. It's definitely got a bullish bias to it, but it's not really a hard pumping up of price. Price is not ripping. So, and Amazon, once again, U-turn pattern. We've talked about this, guys, where Amazon likes to do this: gap up, come down, test the gap fill, and then make that U-turn pattern and go right back up. The only problem is that we got this overhead resistance level, which I believe is an hourly resistance level, and I just didn't want to, and this is nice, it's still running. There's a good chance it could run into this, smack its head into the resistance level and roll right back over, or it could break through. Either way, I didn't want to be up in here in a trade, and I did not want to have to ride through that unexpected price move of what was going to happen. So for me, my whole point was to get in, try to take a quick scalp, make a few bucks before it gets too close to overhead resistance, and then call it a day. And that's exactly what happened. So anyways, hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Be sure to leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. There's a button in the lower right-hand corner you can push to subscribe to me. I am going to be putting out some more content this weekend. I'm going to be putting out more educational videos, some more videos on indicators. So lots of good stuff coming in the near future. I will chat with you guys soon. Stay well and trade well. Talk to you soon. Bye.